first time to travel this far.
Oo, na-miss ko to.
After 8 months.
Yep.
It's 6:52 AM. At gutom na. Ayun na, may Jollibee. Hi guys, we're now here at the Old Grove, Lipa, Batangas. Look at that. The barn. This one. Ganda here. Punta muna kami sa office. Namin yung mga sheep.
Hi.
Yan yung mga chickens. Kumakain sila, ang dami tumatakbon. May mga... What are those? Ano yung mga yun? Peacock ba yun?
Peahen, I think. Wala eh, girl.
Peahen.
Hindi ako sure. Nakakahiya.
Spell peahen.
Capital P, hen.
So anong tawag dito guys? Peahen, peacock, whatever. Ayan siya. Ang dami nila. Flock of peahens. Shoot ng prenup. Kasi maganda mag-shoot kasi dito eh. So sobrang ganda ng place. So pwedeng prenup, pwedeng weddings, ayun sila. Nice. So andito kami sa hanging bridge na medyo
Magalaw!
umaalog-alog.
Ito sa part na to, nakakaano na.
Wow, shit! Hanging bridge. So nagla-lunch na kami.
We're here.
Appetizers muna.
Pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Crispy, what's this? Kangkong? I think so.
Crispy kangkong.
Yeah. Let's eat.
Sobrang fresh na pinag-eat.
Sarap.
Look. Fresh air away from the
Nice to breathe.
city. Maganda dito guys. Then nasa appetizer. So ito naman. Baby back ribs.
Grilled chops.
Grilled chops. Let's see verdict later.
Verdict.
So tapos na kami kumain. Sarap yung baby back ribs.
Pork chop okay naman.
Okay naman, sobrang busog. Yung ice cream medyo tunaw na.
Pero
Sinerve agad.
homemade, I think.
Yeah, parang buo ko na hindi ko maintindihan. Pero
Makapuno, I think.
okay naman siya. So, change outfit kasi pawis na. Isang round ikot na lang din, ta-traffic pa kami pabalik. So,
Then back to QC.
and back to QC.
Yeah.
Just enjoying the
Actually, okay na.
cool
Presko na, mas
breeze
presko na.
at masarap na hangin.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Wish ko lang.
So, siso muna. Let's go, siso!
Wag mo ito!
Siso, aray ko!
Wag mo ito!
Guys, so capping the day with some coffee. Yeah. So, quick review lang sa Old Grove.
Nice to breathe again, finally, after 8 months.
Saka yung meal nila, 800 per head.
No, 800 per head, everything na yun. That's including the day tour. So you can tour the whole place, and then you have a complete set meal for lunch, which includes starters, drinks, soup, main course, dessert. Not bad. Maganda yung mga choices nila. All filling, including ribeye steak. They have also crispy pata, whole crispy pata, like that. And okay naman yung selection.
Yeah, and then yung nakain ko rin na baby back, sobrang sulit. Masarap yung baby back, may veggies, may masarap yung rice. Tsaka sulit na sulit talaga. It takes about like mga 2-hour drive from Manila. Basta maaga lang kay Alice and yun.
Don't forget your Otta Sweet RFID.
Yep, yun. Right, so yun lang. Hope you enjoy. Thanks guys. Bye.